Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see all about custom pipes, how you can create one custom pipe like any operations which is not a predefined pipe. You want to convert any transform data into any customized format. Likewise, then we use these custom pipes in Angular. So in the previous video, we have seen pipes, what is meant by pipes, simple pipes and parameterized pipes and pipe chaining, like how we have to apply two different pipes at a time. We have seen and inbuilt some inbuilt Angular pipes we have seen, like Angular is providing some inbuilt pipes also. So we have seen so many examples related to pipes in the previous video. So in this video, we are going to see some customized pipes like for user defined modifications, like to transform data from one form into other. So we use pipes. This is such as filters. Instead of writing so much of methods to change or transform data, we use pipes. So the expression of these pipes is like this interpolation and this dash is there, slash is there, straight slash, and this is a simple function which use the template expression to accept the input value and to return a transformed value. First you have to pass an input value, so that will be a transformed, and then you will get some other value. Let's see that with an example. So before seeing that example, I have to mention one thing, that is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get notified each time when we upload a new video. I have done so many tutorials like HTML quizzes and W3 schools videos on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and SQL and Azure parts. We have done so much of things. You can just go through my videos so that you will find the Angular and all other web development concept videos. Any video of mine may help you to get the things understanding better. Let's see this tag blitz website. It's a very cool website where you can create any JS environment within milliseconds. I'm just creating Angular environment to show you the customized pipe, like how you can create the custom pipes. So let's see that. So this is the Angular application which will created when we click on Angular part in the stack bliss. Here we have the default app component. The previous things which is already present, we can just remove that. We don't want such kind of things now. Just concentration of custom pipes. In this, what we have this stack bliss, which is an online web ID, full stack web ID, where you can create backend and front end environments in JS, JavaScript environments which you can create by using this. So here we don't have any CLI. So if it is in a local machine, if it is a CLI, you just can create by giving the command ng generate pipe p, and the name of that pipe you can mention like that. So here we don't have such kind of things. So that's why what I have to do is I have to right click on source, and then Angular generator is there. Here you can create any component or service or directive or module pipe by just clicking on that. I'm just clicking on pipe and just giving the name of that pipe. I'm giving that pipe name as gender. I want to create one gender pipe. You can see some boiler code is present in the gender kind of thing pipe. It is automatically created. So the name of the pipe is gender. But to refer this thing, we have to use this name. The value which you have to passing to this will be the I'm giving any value as g name, which is of type string. I want to pass. If you have any arguments, you can pass the arguments also. If you don't have any, you can just skip that arguments part. And I want to return type. Here in TypeScript, you have return type of the method can be referred as this string. So return value, here we have to return. So let gen let gen will be the value which I wanna return. So that will be defaultly I'm setting that as a mail. So on the other case, if the value which you are passing the g parameter, if it is like f, and then I want to change that value, whatever the value of gen we have, into a female, so that if value is f we are passing, then it will convert to female. If it is not f, it by default it will take as m only, which is a male. Just normal logic I'm writing here. So which are where parameter passing, based upon that either it will take as male or other well as female. Just small custom pipe I have written. So to use this pipe, we have what we have to do. Let's see. So I'm just taking one variable which is called as a some gender variable, what we can call user gender. I can take like this. I have taken like user gender is of string type. I'm telling that as I'm giving as value as m. If I refer this variable in the what we call as a html file, you will get that value, whatever the value there we have getting. So I want to use some custom pipe here. So that is the custom pipe which we have is gender. So I'm using that gender. It will telling like no pipe is found with gender. So why we are getting that error? Because there is no connection between this pipe which we have created and we have this app module kind of thing, app component kind of thing. To get the connection between this pipe and this app module or app component, any component, so we have to include that in the declaration part of any component like module. Here app module we have to add this reference also import statement, so where we are importing. So after adding this, it will take that, consider that as a pipe, and it will, whenever you give the name of that pipe, here we have named the gender, right? So whenever you gave the name gender, it will convert this and piping into, so whatever the m we have passing here, so that the response we have came as male based upon this gender pipe, where you are transforming that data and giving that. If I change here as not m but f, then you can see female here, you can getting as output like that. So this is called a custom piping. You can not only gender, you can write any custom pipe, so that you will get like if I give some cube kind of thing, like cube piping I'm doing, I'm giving some value which is of a number type. If I give value, I want to get number only as a value. So what will be the return type is, what the value I am giving, I'm just want to um, like cube, right, which is a cube like three square, like value into value into value. I want to get the value like this. So whenever I have any value here, for example, no need to take as a parameter only, you can directly consider as 3, and I'm just adding cube. You can see no pipe of the cube. Sorry, again I forgot like to mention that whatever the cube pipe which we have created, we have to mention that in the module, so that it will consider that as a pipe, otherwise it will not consider that as pipe. You have to import those statements by using quick fix. You can just import those kind of things to get the relative path likewise. So now you can see whenever I give 3, the cube is created. Likewise you can do. So not only this, you can create any custom, like if you are just abbreviations are there in the case of if you want to get big content at that place, you can write in a custom pipe, so that whenever you add that, so that information will comes likewise. So all these things you can do. You can write in the comment section to create the custom pipe for getting 10 percentage of any value. So how you can do, you can do a custom pipe and let me know in the comment section how you have created. So what are the transform logic you have written and how your pipe is like. So you can comment in the comment section, so that will definitely help others, and let me to understand like how you have understood like custom piping concept likewise. So in the previous video, I have told you all the building functions which we have, like slice and pipe chaining and also parameterizer thing. All these things I have explained in the previous video. Go and check out my playlist, so that you will find that videos. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Like and share and comment and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.